Let's make a Lego table. I'm using the IKEA Flisat table and 2 base plates. You know the packaging that comes with the flat pack furniture is brilliant to use when you want to paint the table legs. Just stick the leg into the cardboard. Then I measured 14 centimeters from the bottom, taped it off and gave it a lick of paint. I'm using the Craig&Rose paint in Pink Beige. You need to cut the base plate so they can sit inside your storage containers. I'm just using the box again the flat pack came in. Trace the bottom, cut it out, and you see it fits perfectly. Just gonna lay this on top of the base plate, mark what I need to cut off, and the base plate's pretty easy to cut just with a Stanley knife. Score where you need to cut a few times. And then just bend and snip it off. Made all my cuts, and as you can see it's a perfect fit. Now I just need to put the table together, which is so easy. Just 2 dowels and 4 screws. Put the storage containers in and the lids, and now we're gonna attach the base plate to the inside of the lid. I'm using velcro fasteners for this. It is so easy to use. It just has a sticky back tape, so you pop it on your base plate and on the inside of your lid. If at one point you want to change this table around and use it for something else, it is so easy to remove. Way easier than when you glue this onto the inside of the lid. That is the IKEA hack Lego table all done.